What are you doing, Journey? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, baby girl? How do you like owning a horse? How do you like it?
Good.
This will go on a vlog.
Oh, Lord. No.
Yes.
No.
What is it like to own a horse now after all these years?
I don't like the way you're staring at me.
What is it like to own a horse after
Well,
all these
here's what I
years?
see. How's it feel to like a horse? Oh, no.
Journey.
Hey.
You didn't answer my question.
I feel good.
Good? That's it? Is it like
Great.
great? Is it the most exciting thing you've ever had? Is this the best gift you could have ever gotten?
Maybe. Look at our little cowlick right here. So
I
cute.
never got a cowlick.
Oh, she smells like.
What's she smell like? Gas?
Yeah, I think she's gotten a rootin' tootin'.
Have you been tooting?
I heard her twice. One time I went.
She was like, I can listen to clicks.
It sounded like a horse walking down the road. Like how they go. That's exactly what it sounded like. And every time I was like, this better not go on Instagram.
It's gonna go on the YouTube vlog.
Oh heck no. Girl, it's
Talking
almost my
about
bedtime.
talking about farts on YouTube.
Girl, it's my bedtime.
Is it your bedtime?
I think so. Feels like it. I know it's very all like tense and boring.